Saan ang location nyo? Andito ako, oh. Ayan. Tayo mo ako dyan. Teka lang. Saan nga ba located ang Sweatville Fitness? Our address is JEE Building, Calawag Road, Dasmariñas, Philippines, 4114. Inside Earth, within the Milky Way galaxy, just beside the sun. Ano bang services we offer? We offer yoga class, pilates, muay thai, boxing, dance class, zumba class from Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, medyo magkakaroon pa lang tayo ng mga classes niyan. So ano bang meron sa loob ng gym natin? We have dumbbells and free weights. We have rig cage for mga squatters. Mahilig mag-squat. Meron din kaming spaceship. Ang squat machine na nagiging leg press. Tapos lilipad ka na. We also have lat pull down. Pag nanawa ka na, pwede ka nang mag-row. Multifunctional Smith machine. Meron tayong leg extension na nagiging hamstring curls. Meron ding machine na bumubuka. Pag sawa ka ng bumuka, pwede namang pasara. Meron ding hip thrust machine para sa mga puwet nyo. Multi-press, nahihiga, flat bench press, incline, and shoulder press. We also offer one-on-one PT session. So, sino ba mga coach dito? Siyempre ako, Coach Bal. And ang isa nating coach, si Coach Chess, na napakalaki ng chest. Coach Chess, o coach, isang flex. Flex. No? Yan. So, again, we are located at JEE Building, Calawag Road, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Inside Earth, inside the Milky Way galaxy, just beside the sun. This is our address and contact number. Kung gusto nyo magpa-schedule or book an appointment, just message us. Sa mga pinagkakautangan ko, alam nyo na kung saan ako hahanapin.